Hey, what's going on, you guys? It's your boy J-Hen, and I know some people have been out there watching this new mini series that's out about Jeffrey Dahmer on Netflix. It's just hit Netflix, so people have been wondering, like, where did all some of this stuff take place at in Milwaukee. So right now we're just gonna go and take a ride past where his old apartment complex used to be at. So let's go take a look. Okay, you guys, so I'm here right now at the site. Can't see her, it's dark. We right here actually at the site of the old apartment complex where some of the stuff happened with the Jeffrey Dahmer murder. So as you can see, it's pretty much, we just rode past it. You can see it's just pretty much a vacant lot now. It's a fence, there's a fence right here. There is an apartment complex like right next door, but it's just pretty much a vacant lot that's fenced off right now. So it's just pretty much, like I said, a vacant lot here, no memorial or anything like that. We also did a quick drive-by in the daytime. As you can see now, we're approaching the gated fence where the apartment complex used to be. We are heading north on 25th Street and approaching the main street here, which is State Street, and then we're going to turn around and go and take a look at the property again. We will do another day where we'll come out and do like a walking tour or get a better image in the daytime. So now we're going west on State Street, making a left on to 25th Street, and the property will be on the left side as we approach it here. You can see that other apartment complex has been shown in a lot of pictures or videos too from time to time. And as you see, there's that black gate that we're approaching on the left side, and there is the property. So subscribe to the channel, leave us comments down below, hit the like button, share this video. And just here before we end the video, just want to show you an old picture of what the area actually used to look like when the apartment complex was still there. You can see it's snow outside, but the alley's right there. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and then that way you'll be able to be updated when we upload another video.